Hello everyone, your mini vlogger is back with another Eid shopping vlog. Today I visit a cattle farm to purchase a goat for Eid al-Adha. The farm is full of beautiful animals like goats, sheep, cows and huge buffaloes. Honestly, I was little scared of the big buffaloes at first, but the experience was so exciting and fun. Alhamdulillah, I finally purchased this cute goat for Qurbani. The environment here is amazing, and there are many healthy animals available for every budget. If you are also planning to buy a Qurbani animal, you should definitely visit a place. Want a location? Comment below and I will share it with you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to support your little mini vlogger. Eid Mubarak in advance to everyone. Bye.